Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you another tie clip that I recently posted on monkcreations.etsy.com. It is a elephant style tie bar, and again it's on a silver plated tie bar with a second silver Hmong charm. And again I use jewelry glue to glue the items together, so you will see a little bit glue come through behind the charm. Just want to let you know. And there it is. And I just wanted to have this picture to show you how the back of the tie bar looks like. And there's the tie bar with a standard size 3-inch tie. This is how it would look like, okay? So there it is. Right now it's going for $20 plus $4 for shipping. I do a standard flat rate shipping of $4, so you can buy as many items as you want and you only pay $4 once. So if you have friends or family that live in the same town, you would benefit from buying things together because you would just pay the $4 shipping and you can just divide the shipping up between you guys. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you, my elephant print or elephant style tie bar. Thanks for looking.